Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through installation of MySQL database server. I'm ready with MySQL database application software. Yes, I'm using 5.7.35.0. Let's install it. So my installation started and it's giving me various options to install and set up the MySQL. Head with my custom installation and let's see. I will MySQL server. Added applications. I would add my shell, MySQL router. Let's add this. MySQL connectors. Add it. I'll be adding all the connectors to ensure that we don't face any issues while connecting. And at the same time, if the same installation if you're using for a different project that's on say a .NET, same thing can be used. Okay. Add it. Add it. So we have to execute. This executed. So it's checking for prerequisites. Okay, we will install. So one thing I would like to add in, you will see Microsoft C++ 2013, 2017. Whenever it's popping up for that you need to install it, you need to click on install. Let's go ahead and click on next. Okay, it's saying for all the components that it's ready for install. Let's execute it. So now our installation for MySQL server successfully completed. I'm enabling the pipeline. Let's enable. Set up password here. I'm setting a simple password. I'm setting a root password. Say next. Standard account. Not changing anything. Next. So it's got completed. We'll click on finish. We're not configuring anything. Saying next, simply finish. You will just have a check for this. Root password here. Root will be the administrator user for MySQL and a password that we have to set it here. Please remember this password.